If you're seeing OneDrive Error Code 0, don't worry, this usually points to a temporary sync issue, a corrupted OneDrive setting, or a connection problem between your device and Microsoft servers. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it with a few simple steps without needing any advanced tools. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get OneDrive syncing normally again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the simplest solution first: restarting OneDrive. Look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the cloud icon, right-click it and choose Quit OneDrive. This fully closes the app and clears out temporary sync glitches. After that, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. Once it starts back up, give it a moment to reconnect and check whether the error is gone. If that didn't solve it, the next thing to check is your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to communicate with Microsoft servers. Open your web browser and try visiting a few websites. If pages are loading slowly or not loading at all, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or restart your router. If your connection is working fine, go back to OneDrive and see if it begins syncing properly again. Sometimes the issue is as simple as a brief network interruption. If OneDrive is still showing error code 0, the next fix is to sign out and sign back in. This can refresh your account connection and clear up authentication issues. Click the OneDrive cloud icon to open settings. Go to the Account tab and choose Unlink this PC. Don't worry, this does not delete your files, it just disconnects your device from the OneDrive account. Once it's unlinked, open OneDrive again from the Start menu and sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing back in, let it sync for a few moments and check whether the error is fixed. If the problem still isn't gone, the last step is to reset OneDrive. This is one of the most effective ways to fix damaged settings or broken sync data. To do this, press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then type the reset command exactly as shown. C, Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, onedrive.exe/reset. After entering it, press Enter. OneDrive may disappear for a moment, and that's normal. Wait about 2 minutes so the reset can complete fully. Then, open the Start menu again and launch OneDrive manually. Once it restarts, it should rebuild its settings and reconnect to your account. After trying these steps, OneDrive Error Code 0 should be resolved in most cases. If one fix doesn't work right away, move to the next one in order, because each step helps rule out a different cause of the problem. Restarting OneDrive, checking your internet, signing out and back in, and resetting the app are the most reliable solutions for restoring sync. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Windows and OneDrive tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.